I ended up going to the theatres almost every single Friday of the whole year because I was doing movie reviews for this channel, and in case you're interested in checking out any of those movie reviews, I have a playlist of them and I'll link it up somewhere here so you can check that out. What happens when you end up going to the movies, to the theatres every single Friday for a whole year is that you figure some things out, you make some observations, and basically you learn some things that you see around. So today I'm here to share some of those. Through the year, you see some good movies and some bad movies, and you see a whole mixture of them. And generally, you can figure out how the movie is going to be by the people who are in the movie, especially like the actors, the directors, the production company who is working on the movie. More than the good and the bad, you can figure out the kind of movie it is. Okay to go alone for movies and to the theatres, and this is something that before the year and before I started doing movie reviews is something that I never did. I had never been alone to a movie theatre by myself and watched a movie, and this was a big revelation for me. I ended up enjoying that bit. You know, a lot of times if you go with somebody and that person's constantly talking throughout the movie and making comments, it gets irritating after a while. So what happened when I went alone was that it was just me and there was like darkness all around. You end up getting so lost in the movie without having to think about any other factors. Also, what happens when you go alone is that you end up meeting people, because otherwise you would just be talking to the person who you are there with. And one time I remember this happened to me. I was watching The Sky is Pink and I was alone, I was sitting alone, and this girl came up and she was also sitting alone, and then she asked me like, oh, are you a Priyanka Chopra fan? And I was like, no, not really. And I explained to her like, I'm here to review the movie. And then I asked her like, oh, why are you here alone? And she's like, oh, I'm a Nick Jonas fan. And it was just so funny to me that she was here to watch a Priyanka Chopra movie because she was a die-hard Nick Jonas fan. It was really funny. Fan following is a real thing in India. Because I had college and I also wanted to review the movie, I always ended up going for the first day first show in the morning, and that's when you realize that people who are there for the first day first shows are die-hard fans of the movie stars like Shah Rukh Khan, Salman Khan, and especially Rajinikanth. The theatres are just packed with hardcore fans, and there's a different kind of aura in the theatre. There's excitement, there is a craziness in the theatre when that is the case, when there are fans who have come in groups and have worn t-shirts with the movie names and the star names and the pictures of SRK and Salman Khan. It's crazy. Is the national anthem, and I realized that because I went to the movies every single Friday is that was the longest stretch of time where I heard the national anthem so many times regularly, because that is also something that is very unique to India, where we have the national anthem before we watch a movie and everybody has to stand up, and I've never actually seen anybody who doesn't stand up, and you know, everybody's super respectful about that. Observation was that nobody ever stays for the film credits, and this is something that when I went to college and I learned about how filmmaking is done, and I also worked on some short films, that I realized that there's a lot of people that go behind making one single film, a lot of hardworking professionals, teams that go into making the final product, the final actors that you see on screen. And I also heard from somebody who was at a conference where a very famous filmmaker was speaking, and she was talking about, you know, there are the people, the light people, the spot boys, the people that you don't see at the surface of the film. Those people who have come to Mumbai to work in movies, their whole pride comes from saying that, you know, I worked on that film, I was part of that film, and their whole pride comes from reading that small name that comes at the end of the movie, which is their name, and that is their pride and hard work and sweat and blood and all of that. So I have always tried to stay for the full movie till the last end credit rolls, but most of the time I am the only person that has remained in that whole theatre, and the cleaning people are staring at me, and eventually the projector guy just shuts it all off and I am forced to leave the theatre. But sometimes you also get like amazing end credit scenes because you just stayed. Like in case of Uri, there's a very amazing, hilarious end credit scene where the guy who they had made behosh and she was like slapping him, he finally wakes up after the whole surgical strike and he's like, oh shit, like what the hell has happened? last thing that I want to talk about is something that I'm convinced about, which is that these people use some sort of popcorn scented air freshener because it's always smelling like popcorn, and the temperature of the theaters most of the time is really low, so you feel cold and you feel hungry and you're forced to buy the shit expensive popcorn that they sell. And my trick for this was to always sneak in makhana, dry fruits, or some sort of snack that you can have, because otherwise you would see all these people walk into the theater in the interval with these big bags of popcorn, chips, nachos, coke and all of that, and you'd just be in the corner crying because you're smelling all of that but you cannot have that. And I've always gotten this urge to just ask the person sitting beside me, can I have like one popcorn? Like, I don't know you, but can I just have like one popcorn? That is the video, guys. I hope you had some fun going back to the theater, some theater nostalgia. And if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and check out my other movie reviews, discussions, trailer reactions, and movie recommendations. I shall see you next time. Bye.